Morning, ma'am. Ako din si ma'am. Mag-assess ko sa inyo, ha. Ah, maligo ka, ma'am. Sa procedure sa doktor. Unya, cover the hindi ko kasturya na. Then, the curtains. Cover the curtains. Adjust the temperature. Then, ma'am, ihion ka, ma'am. Dili, okay, ma'am. Ato isunod na procedure, ma'am. Procedure ni ma'am is bed bath man ka, ma'am, no. So itanggal na ko imuhang lap gown, imuhang pillow, tanan yan. Pwede, ma'am, mo operate ang puta sa ako, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Then wash hands. Put on gloves. Naman ba sa iyo? Now adjust the bed. And now lock the side, the rails. Then down the side rails that I'm working on. Then remove the pillows. And then, ma'am, pwede mo i-hold ang sheet at tanggalon ang ma'am, tanggalon ako inyong laptop.
Okay, to determine if the patient can tolerate that procedure. Now
do the face part. Mama, ako sa nailapan sa inyong
all equipment need to do. Now, next is
and cold water to the first basin. Then put some soap and check the temperature. Then the other basin, put a hot water and cold water. It is plain water. Then check the temperature. Now immerse the towel. Ma'am, sugod na sa imong face. Ma'am, sa imong tangan sugod na siya or plain water lang. Then ready to wipe the face part or the head part. First to do is take off the mask to the patient. Then discard the mask. Then do the eyes first on the inner to the outer canthus of both sides. Then wash again and dip the towel. Then squeeze. Next, the face part. Make a mitt. Then do the face. Stroke. Then dip. Then squeeze. Then make a mitt. Then do the ear, the outer and the other side. Then dip in the water, squeeze. Then make a mitt. Do the neck part. Then squeeze, dip the water. Dip the towel on the water. Then discard the water. Then put some water again, the cold and hot water. Then check the temperature. Then immerse the towel. Then pat dry. Then put the bath towel to the outer arm. Now first do with the soap. Then make a meat. Then wipe it from the distal to proximal. Then up and down on the side. Then onto the armpit. Then rinse with the clean water. Make a meat from the distal to proximal. Then side by side to the armpit. Now immerse the arm or the hands with the soap. Then rinse with a soap or without a soap. Next, pat dry. Then take the towel, do the leg part, lift the leg, put the towel under the leg, then dip and squeeze, then make a mitt with the soap. That towel is with the soap. Then distal to proximal, then side by side to groin. Then dip and wash the cloth. Then make a meat is clean water now to rinse. From distal to proximal, up and down and side by side to groin. Next, wash the feet. Use with the soap, basin, the water in the side of the basin. Then after, rinse it with a clean water and then pat dry. Now take the towel, then discard the water. Next, I'm going now for the back of the patient. So I asked the patient to cooperate. We are ready for the side lying position. Then in 1 to 3 count. Thank you, mom, for cooperation. Now put the towel underneath of the back. Then put some towel to cover or to the privacy of the patient. Then ask the patient the procedure. I'll tell the patient for the next procedure. So the towel is ready. So from the 1, 2, 3. So now, that is with the soap. And then this is without soap to rinse the back of the patient. 1, 2, 3, and go. Then rinse, then pat dry. Then take the towel out. Then cover the patient. Then ask the patient to back to the position to laying down. Then ask the patient, I will ask the patient to cooperate because we're doing for her private part. Itaas anak ko imuhang leg, ma'am, ha?
Rubber sheet.
Isa ako sa support ng kamay. 1, 2, 3, up.
Rubber sheet under the patient's knee, head.
Gayon, pretend nga. Mahilot ka, ma'am. No, mahilot.
What
ready for the perineal part or the private part of the patient. Discard the water.
Ito pa sa sulod sa kasapil.
Then, put the water. Short. Then, immerse the water or the towel. Then, squeeze.
Now, position the patient. Ayaw. Ako lang gusto.
Pubis. 1, 2, 3, 4 up.
Now put the
Side. 1, 2, 3,
patient, I put the heel pad under the patient's head.
1, 2, 3, 4 up.
Assist the line.
Rub your hips. And from top.
And then next is easily
In case the patient is ready to do the catheter or to ready the catheters going to her antiseptic spray, then it's ready. Then after
prevent the uptake.
this, then ready to change the patient.
Now we're going to put the two cotton balls on the each area to prevent the
This the new lockdown.
water, to prevent water and now
Common na mo.
we're going to
Now, after that, kaya na, basa ang top sheet. Yan na, kita. Then, return the position for the bed. Adjust. And after that, assist the client if she wants a finger to cut mom the fingernails. Okay.
and then
So all
next is
remove all the equipment. Or then after that, the patient is ready and comfortable. So I have to fix all the things. Remove my gloves. Then wash your hands.
a small amount of shampoo
Then
would not be hard on the patient's hair.
Then document the procedure of the
Not
what we made the procedure for the patient's response.